Got my nuts. Shovelhead. All right, so back at it here on the primary. Got it opened up. I'll show you guys what I'm doing here to get the clutch off. Now, normally there's a specialty tool. It goes into a couple different holes on the primary cover holes, and there's a flat bar that goes across with a threaded rod that goes in to hold pressure on the center of the clutch there, and that relieves all the spring tension on these nuts so you can get them off easily. So what I did, I didn't want to make it, or I was going to make it, definitely didn't want to buy it, but then I just figured, hey dude, I don't have a lot of time, let's just try to rig something up. So I've just got a piece of 2x4 pressing against it and a ratchet strap wrapped around the bike. Get her done! So probably not the best or safest way to do this, but this is how I'm doing it. So wish me luck. Hopefully it goes well. So I already started cracking this one nut loose. I'm just gonna kind of go around opposite side and hopefully do the same. All right. Maybe a star-ish pattern. But so far, it seems to be working all right. Last one that I haven't touched yet. All right. Now, is there any tension on this guy? No. Seems to have worked pretty well. Pretty happy with that. Now, I guess just keep going. I'm gonna go grab a. Actually, I should. Just to make it easier, I'm gonna grab a gun. Alright. I gotta throw a little wobble bit on there just to clear it, alright. But yeah, otherwise it looks like it's working well. Yeah, bud. Ew.
He was on top of it, and then his foot was going down.
Alright. Got my nuts. I'm gonna try to release tension on this. Actually, let me set the camera up. Springs off. Cool. Get that. And voila! It's off without the specialty tool. Alright, so now that we got the springs out, cover plate, I'm going to remove this retaining ring. Clutch plates. to orient them in the order I'm taking them out. Try to keep it all straight. So in your clutch you've got a bunch of different plates. You've got your steels and then you got your friction pads. The steels are simply that, just plain steel plates. And they ride on these pins. And then you've got your friction pads, which have like a friction material on them. And those ride in the grooves here in the clutch basket. So when you pull your clutch in, it presses out, and these are allowed to slip with the primary fluid, and it slips. But then when you release the clutch, they lock back in together, and the friction causes the power from the motor to shoot into the transmission. So, keep removing these. Let me get in a little closer so you can see what's going on here. So the nut here has these two tabs. This one's not bent. It should have been, but it's not. So this one was probably in here, but this one holds the nut where it's at. I'm gonna put this punch on it. Pound it flat. Okay. Got my inch and a half. And impact. So I had to take the channel locks on the shift shaft and kind of got it in gear. Now it's in gear. So I'm gonna try to blast it with this guy.
Open it. That's
Alright. The nuts off.
Keep it open. Keep it open.
Take off the retaining ring. Right out. Alright, before we get that off, I'm gonna have to get that pulley off, that sprocket. The locking tool onto this side, since it's reversed threaded. Grab the impact. And it's an 1.25 inches. It is, in fact, not reverse threaded.
You big dummy!
So we should be able to slide out the whole assembly. And voila, we have access to the trap door for the transmission. Alright, cut it. There she be, my brother's 81 FXE Shovelhead with the Henry Abe wheels. Sick, new old stock. Front and rear. Shoo! Look at this old vintage tank he found. And then from his time in Australia, kangaroo nuts. Zachary?
Get out of here.
So this is my original Harley. This is what I traded a CR F50 for, straight up. That guy got it running for me. This guy bought it from me. Don't worry, Tim. We'll blur you out.
It's okay.
We'll give you blurry face.
Deepen my voice too, please.
we'll blur out your crotches. You got your wiener hanging out too. So
Yo. Oh, dude.
don't worry. I'll give you a big blur, bigger than you deserve. But yeah, that's the one.
Definitely don't. There wouldn't even be a need for a blur. It's hidden in the bushes. It's imperceivable.
It's like a Ken doll, dude.
No, just the amount of bush I have right now, you're not gonna see it in there.
Nice.
So soft, so smooth.
It's